in a general kind of overall sense, if you're in a pool and it has water in it and you're trying to get out and you can't, it's, in a generic sense, it is feeling emotionally confined or even trapped if you're trying to get out. Now, what the trapped emotion is associated with, of course, would go into dream analysis. And then depending on like what it is, what's happening, all the other imagery in the imagery in the dream can point to what the actual trap is, because it could be a relationship, it could be work, it could be financial, it could be a lot of things that you have that's generating an intense, deep emotional response, unless it's a kiddie pool, that you are feeling trapped in. And the answer to that question is no. And here's why. If you have water, generic, the unconscious, the emotions, and the subconscious, okay? That's the overall. Now, how water appears, whether it's the ocean, whether it's a stream, whether it's a lake, is it moving? Is it stagnant? Are you in it? Are you on it? Are you under it? How did you get there? So there's so many factors that goes into it, but in an overall broad stroke, it means it deals with emotion, unconscious, and subconscious, and it doesn't mean trappings, or it could be, you know, like the ocean. It's this big, vast expanse, and then depending on the context, it could be opening up and just emotionally free and deep, because the ocean is deep, and then it has all these mountains underneath it, which is indicative of air, and or coming through a pipe. Pipes are artificial and man-made. Coming through a faucet could mean something totally different. A stream means something completely different than the ocean, because it's in the woods, it has minerals in it, going over rocks, and it's strongly connected with the mineral kingdom. I mean, so there's so many factors that go into it. And a pool is surrounded by concrete, and the water in it is usually chlorinated. So there's so many factors, but as I said, broad stroking, emotional, subconscious, and unconscious.